Unstoppable. Yeah.
Very fashionable. There you go. Again, Miss Honey Stinson.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and thanks UDG for having me. So I was told or requested to do the invocation. I never normally read, but I just don't want to go beyond on the time, so I'd rather just read it. I'd like to request everyone to stand up, please. Loving God, bless all those gathered here today as we come together in friendship, fellowship, and to witness the Unstoppable Dance Group. Thank you for the blessings of our individual and collective God-given gifts. Place in our hearts the desire to make a difference in our families, to our community, to our country, and to many cultures and peoples worldwide. Give us balance in times of distraction and uncertainty. Help us move towards our goals with determination and always with an abundant sense of sharing our blessings to others, or at least to those who are in need. Thank you for the food in a world where many know only hunger, for our faith in a world where many know fear, for friends in a world where many know only loneliness, for tonight's event, for UDG's success, and also to Evelyn, of course, who's celebrating her birthday today, and to all the celebrants for this month. We pray for them to have in peace, good health, and joy. Please bless this food that we are about to eat, those who prepared it, to those who serve it, and those who have worked to make today the special occasion that it is. For all this, we give you thanks, O Lord. And thank you all for coming and making this event a success. Without you all, this event won't be happening tonight. So thank you all also for having me. And thank you. Amen.
Thank you so much, Ms. Honey Stinson. And again, thank you so much everyone for coming in behalf of UDG and Ms. Evelyn. Okay, so now, our next guest, or I would rather say our next special guest speaker. He actually grew up in Manila, Philippines. He completed his high school days at Far Eastern University, or FEU, and completed his IT course in Calgary's famous Mount Royal Colleges, which is now a university. Dr. Chito Colliantes earned his honorary doctoral degree after he was awarded the most outstanding Filipino in Canada and at the United States of America. Dr. Chito Colliantes is also the first Filipino Hall of Fame recipient in North America. Ladies and gentlemen, the first Filipino immigration consultant, Dr. Chito Colliantes.
Thank you very much, Jenny. Now, those people on the door outside, would you all please come in and close the door for a while? Could somebody please tell everybody to come in and close the door? Be inside now, please. Be inside. Pwede ho ba? Pumasok ho kayong lahat muna. Lalo na yung mga naka-pink. Yung mga naka-pink. Okay. Pagpasok, sarado yung pinto, please. Yeah, bigyan po natin ng galang ang Unstoppable Dance Group. Ladies and gentlemen, before I say anything to you, wala naman ho kung memoryan sasabihin at hindi ho mahaba ang sasabihin ko. Pagkakataon lang ho, napakaganda ng ating summer, ang ating panahon ngayon. Pwede ho ba palakpakan muna ho natin yung birthday celebrant, si Miss Evelyn Canimo. Palakpakan po natin. Pwede ho ba isang quick happy birthday? Is that okay? Isa ba? Hindi, alam ko mamaya ba, pero bago ako magsalita, please. This is once a year lang naman to, ng birthday. Everybody, asan na yung music maestro? Yeah. This is not in schedule, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, nalaman ko lang na birthday niya. By the way, Evelyn and I have known each other way back during our younger years, year 2000. Actually, early 1990s, kilala niya na ako. Okay? Nasa na ho yung ano? Ready? Go. Anytime, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Kabayan nyo na lang po siya mamaya. Okay? Ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, thank you ho. You may all sit down, please. So, sige, formal lang po tayo. Respected guests, respected founders of Unstoppable Dance Group, coordinators, members, and participants. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalaw ngayong araw. Today, on this special occasion, I would like to speak some words about dancing. Okay? Noong kabataan ho namin, over the years, I learned that a dance is a way more than just a hobby. It is an art. Okay? Yan ho ang expression ng ating happiness, loneliness, or sorrow. Kung ano man ho. Yung hong galamay ng ating mga sway ng ating kamay, yung hong ating pagkikembot-kembot, pitik ng kamay. Yan po ay expression. Our movements is the music. Yan po ang dancing sa akin. Noong hong mga ilang taong nakaraan, ang anak ko hong babae, the only girl from one mother, marami kasi hong mothers eh. Anyway, yung hong panganay kong babae, she was a taekwondo artist, martial art. And she won boxing championship. Eh, ang ganda-ganda po ng anak ko. And yet, she became a choreographer ng dancing. She used to teach yung tinatawag na indie, jazz, and rock music. Pinagsasama-sama niya. Tapos, ginagawa niya ng gymnast, ng taekwondo, and then sasayawin mo sila. In fact, meron rin itong kauna-unahan cultural dance group. Katulad po nung tinatawag sa balita, newspaper, meron silang dance group. In fact, kaya mo Unstoppable, nakita ko lang video sa Facebook. Sabi, alam ko, iba yung pangalan ng grupo nyo. And then suddenly, naging Unstoppable. Tapos nakita ko itong magaling yung videographer, si Marinel.
Thank you already.
Nandito sayaw yung kahit sa mga video sayaw. So, I was attracted sa grupo nyo.
There's no
And
word
then
for welcome.
you guys invited me
There's no word for welcome in Hindi.
sa opening
Hindi,
event
to clear, no?
There's no word for welcome.
Also your guest
That's
speaker
the word.
at that time.
Okay.
And then I was told,
So you
walang
understand?
presidente, walang vice-presidente, walang officers, lahat sila pantay-pantay. Ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng isang asosasyon, organisasyon sa buong Canada and USA na walang presidente. Palakpakan po natin itong grupo na ito. This is a very special grupo ito. And then of course, in documents, in writing, kailangan meron kayong presidente, chairman, vice president. Of course, kasi kailangan nyo sa community at doon sa registration sa gobyerno. In fact, kailangan nyo ho ng officers para makakuha kayo nung sinasabi ko sa mga officers dito na pwede kayong kumuha ng grant. Federal, provincial, municipal grants. Libre ho yan eh. Tulad ho ngayon, nangyari sa inyo. About 3 months ago or few months ago, you invited me doon ho sa Wilson. May building sa 2nd floor. Pumunta ho ako eh. Kasi opening nyo. And then ngayon, nabalitaan ko, meron na naman kayong grand opening sa Wednesday, July 3rd, sa 296 Wilson, kasi nasunog ata yung dati. So ngayon, pupunta naman kayo sa bago at mas maganda raw. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, so yung mga nakikisayaw-sayaw lang ho dito, o yung mga guests na hindi nyo naintindihan, how to build an organization, napakahirap po ng magbuo ng isang asosasyon o organization. What will ho yung dance group? Kasi you spend your own time. You spend your own money. Pupunta ka doon, kailangan magdala ka ng pakta para may makain, may merienda. Minsan, busy-busy kayo sa inyong trabaho, wala na kayong panahon magluto. And yet, you have to share. You have to share your time. Magpa-practice yung mga tao para lang mabigyan tayo ng konting bigaya na makapagsayaw sila. Yung iba, yung dalawang paa, parehong kaliwa. Yung iba, parehong kanan, parehong paa. And yet, they have to do practice for perfection. At pag nakita mo na nag-sway yung mga tao at pinalakpakan sila, yun po ang kaligayahan nitong dance group members. Palakpakan po natin sila. So, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, tulungan po natin ang mga organisasyon na katulad nitong Unstoppable Dance Group or UDG. Ang ganda eh. Nakita ko may pangalan doon. Pangalan. Merong G, merong Carol, merong Myra, at merong Evelyn. Hindi ko nakita yung pangalan ng Charm. Kasi namit ko rin yun eh. But anyway, kung nasan man sila po yung mga bumubuo, yung founders. Okay? And yet, lahat po sila ng mga miyembro, they are all officers and members, pantay-pantay po tingin nila. Palakpakan po natin ang Unstoppable Dance Group. May mali po ako, kulang. Pero ho akong salvasyon na nakita rin. Okay? Salvasyon. Pero nakilala ko na sila Vicky, nakita ko sila Shiny, marami akong kilala, sila Irene, sila Jen, sila Yen, marami akong namimit. Si Josephine, nakasama ko po yan sa VIP ng mga Maharlika hudong sa Hamilton. Okay? Si Sally, saka yung husband niya, yun. Mga nakasama ko, mga VIP ho ng Maharlika doon sa Hamilton. And ladies and gentlemen, dito ho sa UDG, ako po'y natutuwa ngayong gabi sapagkat 16 years ago, meron daw akong naparating na tao, galing Philippines pa, si Felicita Tela. Nasa si Felicita Tela? Yun ho yung bumubuhay yun, nakupo, tumayo ka, to be recognized. Yan, 16 years ago, kliyente ko po siya nakarating sa Canada, dalaga pa, kaya kinumbita ko siya ang partner ko tonight. Okay? Yung bang mga pinsan daw niya, di ba pa niyang mga kasama, inaayos daw ng anak ko. Ang pangalan ng anak ko si Don Colliantes. So, ladies and gentlemen, final statement. Unstoppable Dance Group, you are our inspiration. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Chico. Again, thank you everyone for coming. And in behalf of UDG, I would like to announce that we're actually having dinner right now. Yes. Okay, so can you guys help me? Do you have like a table number? No? Okay, so which is actually difficult because this is gonna be a buffet. So, according to Miss Evelyn, we're gonna start from here. Yes, for that table to start to go to the buffet areas. The buffet areas is ready now? Not yet? Oh, not yet. Okay. So, let's say before we actually just go to the buffet for buffet area, I would just like to introduce or tell everyone that we're gonna have a fashion show. Are you guys ready for that? Okay, so for those who's questioning, Pilipino po ako. But I can speak Tagalog as well. Yes. Okay? So, yung ganina po may kinakausap sa akin, sabi, do you speak Tagalog? Yes, I speak Tagalog po. You can ask me Bisaya or anything, Ilocano. You can ask me anything. Okay? So, we do have a fashion show. Ask ko lang, andito po ba ang GAFA? Can I hear GAFA? Okay. Can I hear Edelel? Oh, they're here. Next one. Negrense. Oh, nasa left sila lahat. Okay, we have I and I. Tama po ba? I and I! I andun sa labas! Okay! And, of course, the Unstoppable! Ayun, they're here, of course. Yes. Hindi pa po sasayaw, tinawag mo lang po. Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to ask, is the buffet area ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. So by twos na lang po tayo. So this table and this table. Okay, because we're gonna start the dinner because at 8 p.m. we're gonna start the fashion show. Okay? Okay, next table would be kayo po. Kasama po, dalawa. And then the next table would be kayo po, and then the very end. Okay? Yes, sir. Okay, I would like to take this opportunity again to thank GAFA Group, the Autism Group, like Miss Margie. Miss Margie? Hindi po, ina-announce ko lang po kayo. Acknowledgement that you guys are here. Thank you so much for coming. Yes. Thank you so much. Nagulat po sila. So, for those who's actually waiting for their turn, ask ko lang po, did you guys already experience the 360 booth outside? Yeah, you can go there and then come back because I will be calling tables, okay? So, let's see, like from the table behind, from the one at the back, you can actually go to, like, experience the 360 booth po. Yes, and then you can, guys, come. Like, you can, there's still line if I'm not wrong. Okay? Yes po. So, pwede na po pumunta yung table po dito sa left. Yes. Kasi nagsisibalikan na po sila. need Gafa, Edelel, Negrete, I and Unstoppable here on the DJ side. You can still continue to dance.
We were gold, kinda dream.
Again, I need the groups here on the side. I need Gafa, Edelel, Negrete, I and Unstoppable. Next group.
I